All right, good morning, everyone. It today's date. It is Monday, August 3rd, 2026, and it is currently 6:37 in the morning, alley. And and um, and the reason why I did not say my original intro because I am doing it a little bit different here today, alley. So, anywho, today we have ourselves the day one similar outlook for the United States for today, and let's go ahead and get on down to business. As for today's outlook, we have a light rig and a marginal rig all the way. But third thing third, we have the marginal rig from all the way up to New Hampshire, to parts of Vermont, as well as a little bit of New York and parts of New Jersey, and also Connecticut, and of course Massachusetts. We'll see the threat for some severe thunderstorms later today, outly. Next up here, we have a marginal rig all the way from the portion of Nebraska all the way up to the all the way up to the South Dakota and portion of the North Dakota area, and then the light rig it for a little bit of Minnesota and a little bit of North Dakota and part of a little bit of South Dakota are in the level 2 area rig for the threat for severe weather. Also today, outly, the severe weather threat, there is a marginal from a little bit of New Mexico all the way down to the Arizona area. Also going to be happening today, outly, for those areas. So that's what we are going to be seeing for all that. And then today, and then next up here, we have a 2% for the threat for tornado for today. 2% on the tornado threat, alley, all the way up here to the Minnesota, a little bit of North Dakota, and part of South Dakota. And then next up here, we have a 2% for tornado today, outlay for the parts of New Jersey to New York, parts in Massachusetts, and also Connecticut as well, outlay. So that's what we have for today, outlay. And the areas that are impacting today for that area is going to be New York City, New York, Nunwick, Jersey City, New Jersey, Yorker, New York, and Rochester, Massachusetts, and what we are in the layup for, alley. And then today we have the damaging wind graphic map, where we have ourselves a 15% and a 5% from all the way up to Vermont, down to the New Jersey area, and of course Nebraska all the way to the Minnesota area. And then we do have it all the way down from the Arizona all the way to the New Mexico area, pretty much, alley, and everything else. And then on the last area here, we have ourselves the large hail graphic map, where the hail threat will be covering the Minnesota and North Dakota and the South Dakota area for today, Ali, and that is going to be the only area that we're going to be seeing the threat for severe the health threat for today, Ali, and everything else. And then last but not least, we got everything that talked about the threat for the severe weather threat for today, Ali. Feel free to pause the video at any time, Ali. I'll give you all some time to read all of this, no matter what. So feel free to pause the video at any time. Pause now you like to read, no matter what. You know what to do, Ali. Alright, everyone, well, that is going to wrap it up here for the episode of ETPC Severe Weather Outlook, right here on the ETPC Severe Weather Outlook YouTube channel. This is episode 32 right now, Ali, which is kind of interesting, of course. So I really hope you guys enjoy the episode, Ali. I will be back. I'll be back sometime later today, Ali, for the day 2 similar outlook video. Not really sure when will that be, Ali, but I will try to figure out when I'm gonna do it. But not really sure what. But anyway, have you all yourself a great rest of your Monday morning, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.